can see here I got the orientation wrong on the door. Experiencing a lot of heat from the sun. It started to get very hot very fast out here. So I was looking in the viewfinder and I didn't realize that the orientation was upside down. I cranked this down and broke this against this piece right here, not noticing that I had the orientation upside down. It'll still seal. I'm going to straighten up the bike. I'm probably going to glue this on and then paint it, so you won't be able to tell that I broke it, and then I'll order another one. But for now, that's fine. You're going to get out there and break things, and you're going to do stupid things now and then. You're human. It's okay. You know, don't panic, don't get angry. Lesson learned. And, you know, figure out how to fix it. You know, a little JB weld on that, and, you know, you probably won't be able to tell. I'll paint it gloss black. I didn't like the way it was anyway with silver. So, hey, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to paint it gloss black, and I'm going to have a great time with it. The only thing that I should mention is JB weld takes about 24 hours to really cure. So I'm going to let this sit overnight, and after that sits, I'm going to put the cover back on. So I'm not going to put the cover back on tonight. I'm not going to ride it. I'm just going to let that cure, and that'll be rideable, and there won't be a problem with it, and it should be fine. And one day I'll maybe buy another door, but for now, that is repaired.